5 more. 96, 97, 98. Yo! Yo, George, where you at? Yo, I'm at my crib. What's up? Yo, you're supposed to be at Lily, man. Everyone's here. Where you at? Oh, I forgot. I'll be right there. Peace. Take my shirt on. Let's go.
Wake up in the morning feeling like PJ.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, run out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking on my toes, toes, trying on all my clothes, clothes.
As you saw, George did not wear his seatbelt. Wearing a seatbelt is a must. According to James Madison University, 17,000 teens could be saved yearly if they wore their seatbelt.
In 2002, over 32,000 passengers were killed, and almost 60% of those were wearing their seatbelts. Now, we don't want George to be one of those statistics.
So we have a simple solution for him. Wear his seatbelt. Thank God George was dreaming, so now let's see what happens when he did wear his seatbelt.
Oh my God. That was a bad dream. I'm never not wearing my seatbelt again. Let's go to workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. That's good. We nice. Feels good. Yo! Yo, George, where you at? Yo, I'm at my crib. What's up? Yo, man, how was that weather? You're supposed to be here. Oh, I forgot. Is Gabby there? Yeah, man, she's for asking about you. Hurry up. Yes! Alright, right there. Peace. Ugh, Gabby's gonna like this.
Music on.
Wake up in the morning feeling like PJ.
Hey, what up,
Grab
girl?
my glasses, run out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
Let's go.
Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking on my toes, toes, trying on all my clothes, clothes. Blowing up my phone, phone. Drop top in my favorite CD. Pulling up to the party. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. They wanna keep it tonight. I'ma fight till we see the good light. On the clock, just a party.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. gonna be a good night.
Just click it.
Just click it! Just click it! Just click it! Click it! Just click it!
Feel it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes